Hey guys, in the following minutes I will show you the quickest way I know to solve this problem. So, let's begin.
Welcome, my name is Alan Solosh, also known as the Passive Income Guru. Today I will be talking you through the platform I use to buy my Bitcoin from, called localbitcoin.com. There are a number of reasons why I use this platform. 1. It has a great reputation. It is user-friendly. 2. The fees are very low. 3. My coins are stored in cold storage, which means that my coins are stored on a USB flash drive kept in a vault and off-site. So there is zero chance of hacking and me losing my coins. Number 4, the support structure regarding fraudulent traders is fast and swift. I have never had an issue. There was a time that I paid a person and the funds did not reflect in their account immediately. So the vendor did not release the coins to me. Support inboxed me to find out if everything was normal. So they stepped in before I had to. Amazing service. There is a lot to cover, so let's jump right in. Step 1 is to create your account. So go to localbitcoin.com and click the sign up button tab on the right hand side. Fill in all the fields and then click the create button or the register button. You will get an email from Local Bitcoin asking you to verify your account. So when you get the email, click the link and verify your account. Once you have verified your account, click on the little man icon and click the account security tab. This is where you will 1. Upload your passport, ID card or driver's license. 2. Install two-factor authentication or GA code. There are many videos on the internet explaining how to do this also. Basically, you need to install the Google application onto your phone. This app produces a random 6-digit code that will be used every time you log in and every time you want to sell coins. This code prevents your account from ever being hacked. Now let's examine the little man icon on the top right hand side of the screen. Top icon, this is the username, gives you a breakdown of your profile and your transactions. The second icon is where you can edit your profile. As you can see, there are many different things that you can change. The third icon is your dashboard, where you can see, edit, and create sell orders. Here you can also view closed contracts, released contracts, cancelled orders, and coupons. The next icon is your wallet, where you can send Bitcoin to people and also find the Bitcoin wallet address. The next icon is your account security, which we've already covered. And the following icon after that is merchant, and this is where you can create invoices for your customers if they need. The next tab on that menu is trusted, and this is a breakdown of which vendors trust you and which vendors you trust. And then obviously you've got your support icon as well. The little Bitcoin icon with the numbers represents your Bitcoin value which you have currently. I've got 12 Bitcoin. When you press it, it takes you to a quick access to your wallet where you can send coins and find your wallet address. The next icon is the speech bubble, where you get to communicate with vendors you have bought from, vendors that have bought from you, and where you can reply to support messages. Let's check out the buy section. Click on the buy icon. In the seller section, the first part is the name of the vendor selling coins. The numbers in brackets represent two things. The 100 tells me that this vendor has done over 100 trades, which means he is quite an experienced vendor. The 99% means that he has had 98% success trades. He does not have 100% due to various factors. One being he had a trade order open and never fulfilled it and lost some scoring. The payment method column is the bank he uses for transacting. I highly recommend that you use a vendor that banks with the same bank as you will probably need your coins released immediately, and the vendors will only release your coins once your money reflects in their bank account. The price of Bitcoin, this is the price that this vendor is selling his Bitcoin for. The next column is the limits. This vendor only wants to do transactions with a minimum purchase of value of 1,000, and the maximum amount of coins he has in his wallet is 15,000 worth of Bitcoin. If you need more than 15,000, you can buy the 15,000 from this vendor and then use another trader to top up where you fall short on your order. So the top guy has a minimum value of 1,000 Rand. I don't need that, so I'm going to buy from the next guy, which is 200 Bitcoin. Let's click on the buy button now. So always look at the terms of trade before placing the order. Let's place a buy order for 200 Rand. So write a message to the vendor asking if he wants to trade. Again, it's very important to check his terms of trade. As you can see, he banks with FNB and so do I. So I'll go ahead and make this and pay this guy and then upload the proof of payment. So go ahead and check his details and they're all correct. You can see his name, his banking account, branch code, and obviously the reference. So as you can see, he's responded, hello, sure, let's trade. And I'll just type in the box, I'm depositing now. Thanks. I'll send him the message. And once I've deposited the money, sometimes they release their coins immediately and sometimes they don't. So he's just sent me a message, no problem. So I've made the payment. So after making payment, I now go to the bottom, scroll to the bottom and mark the payment as complete. After I mark the payment as complete, you can see at the top of the page there it says there, Bitcoin's already released, no need to mark payment complete, but I've already done so. I'll say thanks for the fast release, and I'll also upload my proof of payment. So you can only upload JPEGs, no PDF formats allowed. So now you can scroll down to the bottom of the page and just leave the guy a positive feedback. So thanks for the prompt release of my coins. It's always a good idea to leave them positive feedback because then they'll leave you positive feedback and that increases your score and makes you a trustworthy supplier. So now I'm just going to click on my Bitcoin to check that I received the coins. So as you can see, I bought 0.0224. So if you click on your Bitcoin wallet, it takes you to the wallet. Just scroll down and you can see that they're the coins, 0.224. Coins were released. Happy days. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And happy Bitcoining. And if you've got any issues, please write in the comments below the video.
I changed my life completely by using this system. Please do yourself a favor and try it out. I know you'll be amazed.